Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom mouse cursor. So what you're going to want to do is go into Google or your search engine and you're going to type RW Designer, Real World Graphics. So now you're here, you can go over to Gallery and then there should be a cursors option. And then right here you can see a bunch of cursors. I mean, there's so many pages of cursors. So now let's just get a test one. Like, let's just get this one. So once you're up here, you can see all of the different designs for this one cursor set, and then you can hit this download button right here. Now once you do that, it's gonna pop up here, so you can just exit out of this tab. And now what you need to do is search up Control Panel. Now enter, and it should bring you into this tab. So once you're up here, go up to this search bar in the top right and search up mouse. Now once you see this section with the mouse, you can click on change how the mouse pointer looks. Now it's going to bring you up this little page so we can minimize this. And then as you can see, this is all your cursor like button options. So now to actually implement the cursor that you just downloaded, you're going to want to go into your file explorer, and then you're going to need to extract this with WinRAR or 7-zip, any extracting tool, you need to do that. So hit extract here. Now once you hit extract here, you'll see all these different cursors. So what we need to do now is let's change our default cursor. So we're going to double click this, and then it should bring us up to this page. We can hit desktop, and then we can go to downloads. Now you'll see all your cursors that you just downloaded. So now what you're going to need to do is, since you clicked on normal select, you can look for the normal icon, which is right here. So I'm going to double click this, and now you can hit apply, and look, it changed it. So you don't need, you can do all of these for just implement what they say over here and put them on here. So the help select, you're going to want to double click it again and look for help select right here. Click apply, and that'll show whenever you need help with something. I don't even know when that pops up, to be honest. Alright, now we can change more things like the text. Let's go over to text select, then let's look for RW text select right here. It's called beam, but it's the same thing. So now once you need to type something, look, it changes the icon. So yeah, and you can hit OK, you can close out of all that. So that is how you change your cursor in Windows 11.